I don't know what you're doing right now. I know what I'm doing. I'm sat doing deals, making phone calls, booking viewings, making money. I'm with my man, Arnon.
Hey guys.
Arnon Bonez. In fact, Arnon's about to call an agent. I'll give you an idea of the kind of things we say when we call agents. So listen closely.
Let's do it. So how did you come across this property?
First of all, we found it on Rightmove.
Yes.
We determined a location, an area we're excited about. We put in our numbers based on obviously your criteria, following the formula, the step-by-step template. Found this property, looks good. It's got a tenant that's sitting there already. So it's good to go.
Let's make the call.
Let's see what the agent has to say. Now we gotta see.
Billionaire in the making.
Yeah, billionaire in the making. Okay, here we go. Let's call them. See what they say. Put this on speaker.
Rightmove is connecting you. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
So is this call.
Good morning. Sam speaking. How can I help?
Hi, good morning. Who am I speaking to? Very good morning to you. My name is Arnon Bonez. I'm currently on Rightmove, and I believe you have a property for sale. It's a 3-bedroom terraced house on Road, Handsworth.
That's correct, yes.
Yeah. I believe and I understand that there's a tenant in there, and I just wanted to understand something. It says here that the tenant is paying £560 a month.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Now, I looked at the property and I've done a little bit of calculations, obviously, because numbers are important, yes? And,
Okay.
and I can see, first of all, the property's been on sale since September, so it's been on the market for quite some time.
Well, no, it hasn't. When the sale was agreed, the property was withdrawn from the market.
Okay. So I guess the reason why I'm calling is because I'm doing some mathematics here. I'm doing some calculations based on the asking price, based on the rental income. I'm trying to see as an investor how I can make this work and make the numbers work for me. And I can see that the asking price is in the region of 90,000. Now, what I don't want to do is I don't want to book an appointment, come up there. You know, I don't want to waste anybody's time. Obviously, I value your time as I value mine. That's why I said I'd make a quick call. Do you feel, and I don't want to come across cheeky or rude, do you feel that the owners would be comfortable accepting an offer in the low 80s?
I don't think they would at the moment, to be quite honest.
Okay. So what do you think they would be comfortable? Mid 80s? Again, I'm just trying to make the numbers work here. And again, I don't want to waste anybody's time. And I'm very respectful for the owners and yourself. I just don't want to waste anybody's time. So what do you think they would be more likely?
Yeah, it would need to be close to the marketing price.
Okay, good. Okay, and thank you so much for your time. I'm very grateful. I appreciate it. I'll do some calculations here, and if I want to pursue it, you'll hear from me soon.
No problem at all.
Thank you very much, and have a happy new year.
And yourself. Take care then. Bye-bye.
Ciao. Bye.
Now, what most people would do is they'd go and look around the house and then put forward an offer of 81 or whatever, just to piss off the agent, be told no, and then they'd trip up there and all the time. What Arnon just did was he had a 2-minute conversation,
Yeah.
and you were rejected.
Yeah, and always be polite. That's so important.
Yeah, but you were rejected, but Arnon, are you any poorer?
No, I'm closer to my yes.
Exactly. So that's the thing. You need to just, number one, be prepared to be told no. If you're not embarrassed about the lowness of the offer, then it's probably too high. And also, don't waste time viewing houses that you don't know whether it's going to be a good deal or not. First, find out if it's going to be a good deal up front by asking just the way Arnon did. So great job. Should we do some more calls?
Definitely.